Oregon 217. More than 120,000 motorists travel this road each day, making one of the busiest highways in the Portland, Oregon metro. To ease congestion, the Oregon Department of Transportation approved a multi-phase project to add auxiliary lanes and replace the aging Hall Boulevard overpass. Pacific Foundation is on site, installing large diameter shafts that will suspend the bridge over the highway below. Tonight, the crew is working an intensive night shift to complete a critical part of the project.